Ons is by die huis van Annemarie Creer, wat die naweek met 'n lewe ontsnap het toe 'n tienerseun haar uit die brandende huis gepluk het. Ons het met haar seun, Jacques Meyer, gepraat oor die impak van die brand op hulle gesin.
Two strangers came running in, shouting my name, telling me my house is on fire. I left what I was doing, went with them. Got to the corner, ran to the home. The department was there already fighting the flames. Discovered the entire house was on fire already, it was too late. And all I could do was stand by and just watch. Eventually, neighbors started coming out, trying to give me support, telling me not to worry about clothes and material things, but offering me a place to stay, telling me my mum was being rushed to hospital, she made it out. It's going to sound materialistic, but I lost my entire comic book collection I've been collecting since I was 5. Everything's gone, everything, my clothes, everything. They say once you've lost everything, you are open to do anything, which I'm hoping is true, and I will find out. There's a big part missing in my life right now, which I had to either rebuild or reclaim. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I'm going to try. One step at a time.
Ek is Jody Nel vir Netwerk 24 in Germiston.